Hello and welcome to Canned Coffee Espresso Machine. Here we have a Barista Express. Came in with no pressure and a leak from the back. We replaced the O-rings on the steam boiler and we serviced the brew valve. We've got some nice fresh coffee in here. We're going to watch the gauge go all the way up to 10, double shot. We did try with the grinder for this machine and we weren't really getting the grind tight enough from the rope. Here we go, we're right up there at 10, optimum pressure. Got some nice crema coming in. All right, let's check the steam. Just a second. There we go. All right, thank you for repairing with Canned Coffee and Espresso. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you.